Hey everyone, as you can see, I've got another lock clamped up in the vise today. This time it's a Texas Gem lock. This lock was sent to me by Zombie Lock. Zombie, I really appreciate all the locks you sent my way. That was a massive, very generous bunch of locks, and I just highly appreciate it. But this lock works very smoothly. Texas Gem. Not that crazy of a bitting. But Texas Gem doesn't need locks with crazy bittings to make them difficult. So let's see if I can pick this one. I'm trying to find the right tension wrench back here. I think I found the one I want. Yeah, that fits in there nice. About a 30 thousandths pry bar. And I'm going to use this pick here. It's one of the Honest picks from Banggood. Got a click out of 4. I'm kind of hung up under 5. There we go. I think 5 moved. A little click out of 5. 2. And 1. Now these Banggood picks are a little bit wide for this particular Yale lock, so let's go ahead and switch up to a homemade pick, one that I've slimmed down the side profile of. Trying to get underneath the one, I just keep sliding off of them. I'm still sliding off of 1. Let me see here. Let's go with my homemade sweeper hook. Okay, yep, 1 was hanging us up there. I was able to get under it with that hook and not slide off of it. Alright, so let's see what is in this awesome lock here. Get this out of the vise, get the pin tray set up over here, and move my camera. That way we don't have any major issues. That screwdriver out there is a slotted screwdriver, and I need a Phillips. Okay, there's our screw and our tailpiece. I didn't feel any T-pins in this lock, so I don't think there are any. Nope, doesn't appear so. And I could tell straight away that I've got every chamber in here threaded. A nicely serrated pin. Another nicely serrated pin. Yep, looks like we're seeing a lot of serrations here. And that one's almost spoolish. It's got a wider serration on top. Very nice serrations here, nice and even. And here is the plug. You see all 5 chambers are threaded, finely threaded. It's one thing with the finer threading, you do have a chance to get caught up a little bit. I always use a 32 tap, but I need to get one that's tighter and kind of mix it up. I bet that'll change the feel up quite a bit. But there's one thing about the 32 size tap, is it's a fairly aggressive tap, so if you have real sharp edges, they really bind up in there. And it looks like all the springs are the same, so I'm just going to dump them out. And indeed they are. Okay, I see threads in 5, 4, 3, and 2. One is, well, I think I see threads in there too, but they don't, yeah, there's threads in all of them. All right, it just, the tap must have not taken very well. Either that, or he buffed off part of that. It's hard to tell. Anyway, lots of threads in here, and I can definitely feel them. All right, so let's take a real good close look at these pins. Okay, as you can see in 1 and 2, in the bottom are both serrated. This one's got nice sharp serrations. This one's got wider serrations. Above it, I've got a serrated pin, real sharp on the top and bottom with wider in the middle. I've got a sharp serration here, followed by 2 more and a really wide one here. Some nice serrations on 3 and above it. Very evenly spaced serrations here on 4, and very nicely serrated pin here on 5. I kind of like this shape. I don't know, I just like it. And then on 6, another nicely serrated pin with a pin just like the pin is in chamber 4, but it's flipped the other way. Really nice pins. Texas Jim always makes fine locks. Zombie, thanks for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it, and all the other locks you sent as well. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.